Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Green Chef mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a practical tool for managing meal kits and healthy cooking on the go. The Green Chef app is available on iOS and Android and lets users browse weekly menus, choose from organic and dietary-specific meals, like keto, paleo, vegan, and manage delivery schedules. It provides detailed recipe instructions, nutritional info, and built-in timers for cooking. You can save favorites to your profile, pause or skip deliveries, and adjust serving sizes directly in the app. One major strength of Green Chef is its focus on high-quality organic ingredients and clearly labeled dietary options, making it easier for health-conscious users. The app's nutritional breakdown and allergy filtering are helpful for meal planning. Its interface is visually appealing and intuitive, making it simple to customize meals and handle deliveries. However, there are some drawbacks. First, meal kit prices are higher than many competitors, which may deter budget-minded users. Second, the app can be slow to load weekly menus, and occasional glitches during checkout or meal selection have been reported. Third, while ingredient labeling is clear, some users say portion sizes delivered can be inconsistent or smaller than expected. Lastly, customer support via the app can be delayed, especially when issues arise before delivery. These downsides may affect the experience despite the app's strengths. Overall, Green Chef is a smart choice for users seeking organic, diet-specific meal kits with strong nutritional tools, but be prepared for higher costs, performance hiccups, and occasional portion inconsistencies. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, refer to email in the description.